As leaders, we often hope for harmony and are more likely than not to avoid conflict. In order to improve, innovate, and make a difference, organizations should dare to disagree. Radical Candor is a management philosophy developed by Kim Scott based on caring personally while challenging directly. As a framework to enable more open feedback and more effective guidance, consider two axes. On the vertical, how much you personally care. If you are at the top, then you care a lot, as opposed to just being professional, which is more or less expected of all of us. The horizontal axis illustrates how much you are willing to directly challenge the other person. In other words, your willingness to tell others difficult things they need to hear, but might upset them. When we challenge directly, but don't show that we care, we are in the obnoxious aggression zone. In this zone, we criticize aggressively and have little empathy for others, and we push for results without a sense of humanity. This causes others to become quite defensive and often produces very little change. When we're not challenging directly, nor caring personally, we are in manipulative insincerity. Here, we put on a show to pretend that everything is okay from our side. In this environment, we focus more on manipulating people into doing what's needed instead of guiding or helping them. This often leads to mistrust from others, and as a result, they don't change. Many of us are actually quite nice, and as a result can sometimes find ourselves in the ruinous empathy zone, where we care personally, but don't challenge directly. We are driven here by the need to be liked, and by our fear of confrontation, so we avoid giving the difficult but necessary feedback. This results in others remaining ignorant as to what is going wrong, and as a result, there is no change. Finally, when we personally care, while simultaneously challenging directly, we are in the radical candor zone. Radical candor requires showing that you really care about the other, while simultaneously being clear about what's going right, what's going wrong, and how to improve. Because these messages can be difficult to hear, it helps to be humble, helpful, and immediate. This zone can result in true growth and profound change. So what behaviors are you trying to change? In which zone is your organization in right now? And how will you get it into the radical candor zone? For this and other perspectives on growing your leadership, visit think.org.